Hello YouTubers. For the Mustang guys right there, I have a 2004 B6 3.9. I'm going to replace my alternator. I just ordered some the from American Muscle, which is the uh, chrome one, and this is the look like right here. I have a video of this, and this is one I'm going to put it. The only thing you need in here is this from the battery. You need to take it first, take it off. You need a 5/16 on that, or it is 8 millimeter, and you need a 10 millimeter. That's what you need. And you need also a 15 millimeters to take it off your alternator, and also a 13 millimeter to take it off that alternator on the top. This one here, this is 13, and one on the bottom here, that's 15. And you need a size 18 for the pulley for that belt tensioner, and you need a breaker bar to you know to move that belt tensioner. So when you do that, you need to just put it here on the bottom right there, and then you just push it down, then you get that. So yeah, that's the pulley for that belt tensioner, so that you can take it off your belt right there. You just pull that up, and then you can take it off the belt. And now nobody's holding my camera. I just put it somewhere else that you can see it. I don't know where I'm going to put them. Okay. Maybe I can put it here for now, so that I can remove my belt. There you go. Belt is out. There's the one down. Go. Okay, now I'm loosening the belt. Now I'm going to remove the alternator. Just take this one off, and by first thing you need to do is take it off the battery first. Yes, first, because these are 12 volts. So take it off from here, like that. The first thing you need to do is to take it off the battery first, because you're dealing with the electric over here on this alternator. Take that one off. That is off. To start on the 13 here. 13 size millimeter. And now you're gonna do the 15, which is the big one on the bottom. Like that. Okay. Right now I cannot hold my it's really hard for me to hold this camera. I'm gonna show it to you the video next when I put it on everything. I'm just gonna take it off the wires from here and so that I can show you the next video. Okay, thank you.